In this episode, The Dirty School of Skate, I take on AI. It's dirty versus ChatGPT. Hey skaters, I'm Dirty Deborah Harry with the Dirty School of Skate and Sugar Roller Skates. And I'm here at the Fountain Valley Skating Center today to talk to you about ChatGPT. You know, I might have run out of ideas for videos, but thank God for AI, because apparently all you have to do is ask them a question and they give you all the answers. So today we asked ChatGPT for how to roller skate. I basically just asked them how to roller skate, and they told me, so you and I are gonna go over the results and see if that's true. Today's video is brought to you guys by Bruised Boutique. You have got to go to bruisedboutique.com. You guys, they just redid their website, and it is amazing. So many people come to me and ask me about skates, different types of skates. What should they buy? What should they need? All these questions. And when you go on their website, it's really cool. If you just look under like skates, it will categorize them by price, by style, by model, by brand. So it kind of alleviates a lot of the questions that you may have. This is also done with wheels and plates and everything. So you guys, please go there. It's bruisedboutique.com. The owners of this company have been in the business for a long time. We skated roller derby together many moons ago. But they are amazing. They are very willing to take the time and effort to help you select the right merchandise. So go to bruisedboutique.com. I've got a promo code. It's called Dirty Money, so that'll help you save a bit, okay? Anyway, but let me go get my phone and we'll talk about ChatGPT and how to roller skate. Okay, so I heard about this. I heard about ChatGPT and how it can basically teach you anything. I heard kids are just cheating straight up on papers for school, having ChatGPT write them. So I thought, why am I working so hard making up all my own stuff for this channel, slaving away, writing and thinking and processing? No, I'm kidding. I don't write anything. But so now I'm thinking, does this AI, is it watching my channel? Is it reading my messages? Lord, is it reading my mind? Does it know? Is it gonna replace me? Are you guys gonna start thinking to yourself, who needs dirty? And all her ridiculousness, her snack area and her fun zone and her down with the butt, up with the gut. Maybe an AI is better at it. Maybe it's better at telling you what I live to talk about. I don't know. But today's video is gonna put it to the test. And let's see who's better at this teaching skating thing. Dirty Deborah Harry or ChatGPT? And here we go. I said, hey, create a how to skate tutorial. And they give me a tutorial in 10 steps. They say, number one, pick the right skates. I agree. When selecting roller skates, make sure you choose a pair that fits you well and feels comfortable. We all know how difficult that is. Make sure to choose a pair that matches your skill level or the activity you plan to do, such as recreational skating or roller derby. Yes, thank you very much. That's actually a really, really super good tip, because a lot of times people get into skating and they go down to your local like Big Five. If you got a Big Five near you, you know it's a sporting goods store, and you buy like a $70 pair of skates, and then you learn like, it ain't that fun. These skates are not that good. So, as I said, go to Bruised Boutique and they'll help you find the right skate that's comfortable for you, for your skill level, and the discipline that you want to do. Number two, find a flat open area. Choose a surface that's smooth and free of debris. An ideal location would be a skating rink. Why, thank you. A driveway or a well-paved parking lot. Okay, ideal location would be a skating rink. A smooth driveway? Most driveways have a slight decline for water runoff, so I'm going to say no to that. A well-paved parking lot, I always love a well-paved parking lot, and even better is a parking garage because it's nice, smooth concrete. We like that. Okay, number 3, it says gear up. Don't forget to protect yourself by wearing the proper gear like a helmet, knee pad, elbow pads, and wrist guards. You know, if you want to, head to toe. Sounds good to me. 4, take it slow. Start by standing on a flat surface and get a feel for the skates. Try to balance on one foot at a time and gradually move your feet closer together. Okay, so they want you to stand on a flat surface, get a feel for the skates. I'm getting a feel for my skates. Try balancing on one foot at a time and gradually move your feet closer together. Thank you, ChatGPT. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm going to admit, it's pretty good. That's pretty good. I like it. Okay, learn to push off. Let's see if they've got it going here. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, one foot in front of the other, bend your knees slightly, and push off your back foot while propelling yourself forward. Okay, we're gonna go with it. Learn to push off. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Is this shoulder width apart? Adria, say yes or no? Yes? Okay, shoulder width apart. And then one foot in front of the other. That's in front of the other. I'm being specific here. I'm all shaking. Bend your knees slightly and push off with the back foot. Dude, if this works. Okay, seriously, you guys, I'm going to try it with the other foot. Shoulders width apart. Put one foot in front of the other. Bend your knees and push off with the back foot. I'm pushing, I'm pushing, I'm pushing. Okay, I'm going to say no to that. Okay, 6, get comfortable turning. Practicing turning is important to maneuver through crowds and around obstacles. Start with small turns, leading with your hips, and then gradually work up to sharper turns. Okay, let's give it a go. I'm skating forward, and I'm leading with my hips. Be serious, Dirty. This is the best AI can bring you, okay? I'm sure they're gonna get better. All right, I'm skating forward. I'm leading with the hip. Okay, I'm not gonna say that it doesn't work, because it does work, but if you and I were skating together and I came up to you and I was like, I need to avoid you. Okay, I'm gonna give it a no. There's so much more involved than the hip. Okay. Practice stopping is number 7. There are several ways to stop while roller skating, including using your toe stop, T-stop, and plow stop. Have they been reading? Have they been watching the Dirty School of Skate? Practice each technique until you feel comfortable and confident with them. Listen, this is the best thing they've said. They said practice. They just said practice stopping 3 different ways and told you not how to do it at all. They just said just practice it. Okay, well then I guess that's when you go back to real tutorials. Okay, and you learn how to stop those 3 ways. I love it. Number 8, build your skills. Once you're comfortable with basic skills, try learning more advanced skills like crossovers, jumps, and spins. Well, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, ChatGPT, because build your skills. Once you're comfortable with basic skills, try learning more advanced skills like crossovers, like jumping, like spinning. This is amazing. I love this little bit of info just because it tells you that it's important to practice. I call them essential skating skills, not basics. So I love that. Okay, number 9 is set realistic goals. Don't be hard on yourself when learning how to roller skate. It takes time and practice. Start with small goals and gradually work your way. Are they plagiarizing me? I mean, straight up. This is everything I talk about. I love this. Set realistic goals. Do not be hard on yourself when learning how to roller skate. It takes time and practice. Thank you. Start with small goals and gradually work your way up. Number 9 is a winner on this list. Let's go to number 10. Have fun. Most importantly, have fun and enjoy yourself. roller skating is a great way to exercise, socialize, and have a great time. Well, thank you. And then they sign off way, hope that helps, enjoy skating. I love it. Okay, for actual skills, learning to skate, I am going to give this a 1 out of 10. Okay, because they did come up with balancing 1 foot at a time. I really love that. But the whole like turning and then not teaching you how to stop and all that, 1 out of 10 for actually learning how to skate. But I did like the spirit behind it. The spirit behind it of saying, hey, be easy on yourself. Just start slow, start with small goals, practice, have fun, be happy. All that kind of, the spirit behind this is good. The actual technique and teaching you how to skate, it ain't there, but that's okay. I feel like this will get better, and I feel like the more that they follow my channel, the more that they can update this, okay? We still have to practice, right? You guys still have to practice something. Remember, practice is key when it comes to roller skating, and it may take time to learn new skills, so be patient and enjoy the process. They are watching my channel. All right, you guys, that's a wrap. Go practice.